welcome to today's IGTV episode where it's going to be insane. Today we're meeting no other than Nikki Tutorials. This makeup look has to be something crazy, bold, fun, colorful, glitter, I don't know. It just has to speak Nikki Tutorials. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna concoct something right now, but I have an hour and a half to get ready. So I'm not gonna be doing a talk through because I really wanna focus on getting my makeup done. So stay tuned, watch this whole look, and make sure you guys stay tuned towards the end where you guys are gonna see some snippets, and hopefully I'll be able to vlog some of the experiences when I met Nikki Tutorials today. So let's just dive right into the video. You guys, so this is pretty much the look. I was so rushed. I'm literally about to head out, so I will take you guys on the trip with me to go see Nikki Tutorials. Really like the way that it came out. Wish I had more time on it, but I'm about to change my clothes, head to the cab, and let's just get out of here, and I'm gonna take you guys with me right now. Alright, so I'm about to take you guys to the back to officially meet Nikki Tutorials. It's going to be amazing. We are in Times Square, Sephora, and I'm super excited. Let's get to it. So we are here with no other than...
Hey Keeks. Well, that's not my name, but hey Keeks.
So I told her that we were filming an IGTV video, and anything that you want to tell the followers?
The followers should know that this face in real life is flawless, honey. Do you want new makeup? Here. Take it with you. Take it all. Take it all. There's more. Take it all with you. Yeah, you got it. Do you want concealer?
Yeah, I'll take concealer. Oh.
Okay. Bring out the bags, people. Bring out the bags.